I am Aditi Vara and today I am going to present on cultural studies, and today's my topic is media culture and cultural studies. So first of all, we can know about what is cultural studies. Cultural studies started in Birmingham Center in 1968 in UK, and cultural studies started by one of the most important literary theorists, Stuart Hall. And cultural study is hardly defined to study, and cultural study is a field of theoretically, politically, and empirically engaged cultural analysis that concentrates upon the politic dynamics of contemporary culture, its history of foundational defining traits and conflicting and contingent. And cultural studies has a two types of theories. Like first one is cultural construction, and second one is hegemony. Next, we can see about what is media culture. A media study is an academic field that deals with the connect from history effects and political implection of various media and the technologies. And media cultures refers to the current western capitalist society that emerged and developed from the 20th century, and the term alludes briefly the overall impact and intellectual guidance used by the media, not only on public opinion but also on tastes and values. Next, we can see about the difference between culture and media culture. And as a culture has a very blurred meaning, and there is no longer a true meaning of the word culture, as it can take many forms. And media is referred to as ways of communication to the public and the way of transmitting the culture in which the elite would like to transmit upon the public. Next one, we see four types of media. And first type is print media. And in print media, for example, we have used newspapers, magazines, some books, some articles also. And in the second types of media is the broadcast media, in like TV, radio, and other some pro- products. And for third one is outdoor or out of home media. And last and most important is the internet. And next, we can see about the traditional media and new media. If in our media we have two types of media and we are now using a new media. And traditional medias are using by television, radio, music, newspapers, magazines, books, signs, and also billboards. And nowadays we have using apps, emails, ebooks, websites, smartphones, laptops, blogs, social network, and other things also. And the function of media, the sending and sharing of information, is the major function of media. And function of media has a four types. First one is to inform, second one is to pursue, third one is to entertain, and last and fourth one is to transfer culture. And the impact of the media culture on society. Different societies have different media systems, and the way they are set up by law influence how the society works. And the media culture has a some of positive impact and some of negative impact. And first we can see is positive impacts. So social awareness, promoting the healthy democratic traditions, alert and courage of natural disasters, education, so role in social equality, exposing corporation. And last is the national building. And here we can see the negative terms of negative impact of media: news for sales, false advertisement, unethically practice, influence of powerful group. Media shows you what they want you to see. And the next, here we can see the representation. Media has a two types of group. First one is suggestive, and the second one is pro provocative. And like first, suggestive is the meaning And subjective meanings that suggest ideologies that the audience, if not alert, embraces. And media culture does not need to declare its position or ideology openly. It only needs to suggest. And for example, in the suggestive type of advertisement, the appearance of the celebrity more important, like the just friends word is more important for suggestive media. And the second one is provocative. And provocative means media culture is provocative because it sometimes asks us to rethink what we know and what reinforce what we believed in. And for in the provocative type of advertisement, the message conveyed through the language is more important. And for example, todo nahi jodo is more important word for that. And next, here we can see the media ecology of the Hindi films, the star and her, his personality, the tools and like the tools like camera, setting, lights, the workers, then very well knowing technology and their techniques, and the language of the films of instruction, the community, audience, marketing, and the review and some other also include in that. And here we can see the purpose of media. The purpose of media is to provide program and service that inform, educated, enlighten, and enrich the public and help inform civil discourse essential to American society. And three main purpose of media. And first one is advertisement, second one is information, and third one is entertainment and education. And here we can see cultural studies of popular culture involves. And first is an analysis of the forms of reception, an analysis of the political ideologies embedded in this representation. Third one is an examination of the financial source sponsors of the representation. And for example, propaganda advertisement by Coke after the report of pesticides in Coca-Cola. And last and fourth one is an examination of the role play by other objects, people, propaganda, ideology. And for example, we can see Amir Khan's films Lagan, Mangal Pandey, Rang De Basanti films, and some other films also. And at last, to conclude, cultural studies focus on media culture because it assumes that the media are very significant contribution to ideology and political culture. And media culture makes oppressive condition of class and gender and often to economic engine to cultural ideologies of the family or the law. And here is my reference. And thank you everyone.